In our economic system, there are two sectors, the business sector and the household sector. The households demand consumer goods like cars, computers, and lawnmowers. Households provide labor resources to businesses and own most of the resources of production. Businesses produce and supply goods and services. Businesses demand resources for production. These two sectors interact in two markets. Those two markets are the product market and the factor market. The product markets are the markets where households acquire finished goods and services. The markets we are most familiar with are retail markets. A good example of a retail market is Kroger. Factor markets are the markets where businesses acquire the factors of production. A good example of this would be IBM. Businesses produce goods and provide services in the product market. In exchange, households pay for goods and services with consumption expenditures. Households provide labor, own land, invest in capital, and have the talented businesses needed to produce goods and services. To pay for these resources, businesses pay wages and salaries, pay rent, purchase raw material, and pay dividends to households. Together, the product markets and the factor markets illustrate the circular flow model. In a mixed economy, it's not always this simple. Something's missing. The government. The governments require resources to provide services. To purchase these resources, the governments collect taxes. In the final circular flow model, we see how the product markets and the factor markets interact with each other and the government at the center of the entire model. The end.